ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ನ ಸುದ್ದಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐನಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಇಶ್ರತ್. ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಾಂಶಗಳು.
31st July, the feast of Saint Ignatius, is a big day for all Jesuits and students at Aloysius College. Dr. Asha Shanbhog clarifies all worries and doubts on the day of breast cancer awareness program. Inaugural ceremony of diploma and certificate courses for 2013-14 held at St. Aloysius Evening College. Data mining for computer security, a UGC-sponsored national conference, was conducted at SDM College of Business Management.
The Jesuit Fathers at St. Aloysius College held a grand celebration on 31st July as their founder father, St. Ignatius feast.
It was a dream of a Spanish knight, St. Ignatius of Loyola. Born in Spain 400 years ago, the wounded soldier, St. Ignatius, struck by a cannonball and undergoing a transformation in the hospital, started the Society of Jesus with 7 men. Today, it has grown into one of the biggest religious orders in the world, with thousands of men answering the call of Christ. Such men are called the Jesuits, who run schools, colleges, universities, and other institutions, including St. Aloysius College. The Jesuits commemorate their founder's death as a feast on 31st July of every year. This year, Reverend Bishop Henry D'Souza, Bishop of Bellary, and the administrator of Shimoga Diocese. He stole the hearts of audience by his inspiring words. The students of St. Aloysius College walked towards the altar and offered themselves symbolically. Reverend Father Denzel Lobo S.J. gave the feast day message, and he said, "Remember, you can also make difference as St. Ignatius did 400 years ago."
That kind of saints are needed, and therefore is the invitation to each and every one of you to be a person who brings about the change as St. Ignatius did 400 years back. My dear friends, therefore this is a challenge to each and every one of you to create a just and equitable society, to share God's experience with the world around you, and to become healers, and that is the call.
Reverend Father Stephen De Silva, Principal of St. Aloysius College, concluded the ceremony.
One of the important things St. Ignatius told his marriage, that you must become the agents of change. All your former students later on, you must ultimately appreciate and love this college. This is my request to you, and let's have a wonderful day today, and this is the way to the feast of St. Ignatius. Thank you.
ಮೊದಲ ಹಂತದಲ್ಲೇ ಸರಿಯಾದ ಚಿಕಿತ್ಸೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರಿಂದ ಸ್ತನ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನಂತಹ ಮಹಾಮಾರಿಯಿಂದಲೂ ಮುಕ್ತಿ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಎಂದು ಕೆಎಂಸಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಯ ನುರಿತ ಹೆರಿಗೆ ತಜ್ಞೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಶಾ ಶಾನ್ಭಾಗ್ ಹೇಳಿದರು. ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ಸಂತ ಆಗ್ನೆಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಉದ್ದೇಶಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು.
Breast cancer is the main cause of anxiety among women and adults. Program like breast cancer awareness can make a big difference to them. What is breast cancer? Breast cancer is a kind of cancer that develops from breast cells. It is the most common invasive cancer in females worldwide. Dr. Asha Shanbhog, consultant gynecologist, KMC Hospital, captured the attention of hundreds of students at St. Agnes College by her detailed description of breast cancer.
Okay, and at the time of menses, some people say that they feel a lump in the breast. Okay, that need not be cancer, that's not at all related to cancer. That is some benign condition which is called fibroadenoma. It's actually called the mouse in the breast. There is a muscle underneath the breast which is called the pectoralis major. That gets stimulated and it makes the breast tissue more prominent. Right?
Dr. Sister Prem Maria D'Souza, principal of St. Agnes College, presided over the function. The Lions Club of Mangalore, Valencia, in association with KMC Hospital and St. Agnes College, made this educative talk possible for the students. The president of Lions Club, while talking to Campus Eye, said,
These students are very shy to go to the doctor or inform the parents. So such educative talks will enlighten the students, and at least they will get the knowledge of breast cancer or any other cancer.
Anisha Fernandez, president, and Karina D'Souza, vice president of St. Agnes College, spoke to Campus Eye on how important and useful the breast cancer awareness program is.
And on behalf of the students, I can say that this was very useful because there's a lot of these underlying questions that we all have, especially in these years when we're growing up. And we have no one, sometimes we have no one to ask. And this was a very useful session. We got a lot of our doubts cleared and we're very happy that we had it.
As growing women, we all have our concerns and our issues. And this talk was very life-changing in that sense. And it also raised so many doubts which many people might not be aware of. And we are very grateful that the Lions Club members and Dr. Devi Prabha Alva organized this talk in St. Agnes.
There was interactive session followed by Dr. Asha Shanbog's presentation.
ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಪುಟ್ಟ ವಿರಾಮ. ವಿರಾಮದ ನಂತರ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಐಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಗರದ ಸಂತ ಅಲೋಷಿಯಸ್ ಸಂಧ್ಯಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಸಾಲಿನ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಮತ್ತು ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆಗಸ್ಟ್ 1ರಂದು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
St. Aloysius Evening College launched diploma and certificate courses for the year 2013-14 on 1st August. These diploma and certificate courses come as an eye-opener for young students who are waiting to explore tax implications, real estate management, and so forth. The inaugural ceremony began by lighting of the lamp by eminent personalities. Reverend Father Michael John S.J., Administrator, St. Aloysius Evening College, addressed the students detailing the need of introducing these diploma and certificate courses.
I said, sorry, it cannot, because there are only 110 lectures in the classroom, not beyond that. I would have loved to take them, but because we are limited, we are paid, I said no. So therefore, we have been going on.
Mr. John De Silva, Vice Principal, St. Aloysius College, the chief guest of the day, described how important investment and insurance is to survive in the business world today.
But then, at least one, there is one that learns how to make the class extremely interesting by going for discussions. That's what in the investment class have done. They will not teach as such. All the teachers and all students.
Guest of honor, Mr. M.R. Jayesha, DGM, State Bank of Mysore, told the audience about how to succeed in the industrial field and investment.
When they are listening, most of the actors do not know what is relevant, what the risk criteria, what the criteria he is investing in a bank, whether he is aware of tax implications. He cannot get it.
The coordinator of the event, Dr. Donald Lobo, said, St. Aloysius wants to see a smile on the faces of students in times of financial crisis.
To start the first program, the important program, that is the important program in business management. In this particular program, you will see that our main objective is to protect your investments.
Reverend Father Denzel Lobo, S.J. Rector, St. Aloysius Institutions, presided over the function and he spoke on how launching of these certificate courses will benefit the students.
Therefore, knowledge is very important. And we have one great person, Warren Buffett, I'm very sure all of you know about that. He is a great industrialist and a philanthropist. In 2008, he was considered the world's wealthiest person.
ಯುಜಿಸಿ ಸಹಭಾಗಿತ್ವ ಸಹಯೋಗದೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಗರದ SDM ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಟಾ ಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಎಂಬ ವಿಷಯದ ಕುರಿತು ಒಂದು ದಿನದ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು.
It is the need of the hour for business management students to have national conference on data mining for computer security. Mr. Rajesh Lawrence Patra, Principal Technology Architect, Infosys Limited, inaugurated the UGC-sponsored national conference on 2nd August. Data mining is to find and analyze patterns, relationships, and trends in large databases and use knowledge gain to improve performance of an enterprise. To elaborate and enlighten the topic, the keynote speaker, Mr. Anup Kudva P., Program Manager, IBM India Private Limited, Bangalore, put forward few examples like LinkedIn, credit card to explain data mining. Mr. Anup Kudva made the keynote address more interactive so that the students are able to perceive the topic in a better way.
You need to track what your credit history is. No bank will give you a loan if you don't have a good credit history. Also, I had a loan with them. So, when I got my first car, I had to go for a loan. So, I had a car loan with them, which is, again, I've just kind of closed it. So, if you just look at this, an overall perspective, what is it that you can understand from this? Just this one snapshot.
Participants from other colleges could grab the chance of acquiring a lot of information about data mining. One of the participants, Mr. Ashok Prasad, Dean of BCA Department, St. Aloysius College, spoke to Campus I about data mining.
STM College of Business Management has conducted a one-day seminar in data mining for computer security. The seminar was very fruitful, and the theme that they have taken regarding data mining is one of the new emerging concepts that is now vastly used in the internet, in the IT level. When present, if we see the data that's emerging from the different sources, maybe Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or maybe through our mails, the data are getting just dumped up, and to extract that important data, the information that we require, takes a huge time and also a huge expense. Whereas using data mining techniques, there are different ways to extract these data so that the common man's information can be easily accessed through these particular technologies.
ಇವಿಷ್ಟು ಈ ವಾರದ ಸುದ್ದಿ. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ಮುಂದಿನ ವಾರ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿಯಾಗೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಶುಭರಾತ್ರಿ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ.